Hello friends, today I'll be answering a very common question that I get. Can you make money with binary options? The answer is yes, and with the strategy that I'll teach you today, I'll show you how easy it is if you follow the right strategy and if you have the right knowledge. So watch the video till the end so that you can learn this strategy and apply it to make money yourself. Okay, I just found my first trade. We took a very beautiful entry. So here, as you can see, we have this beautiful supply area right here. This bearish engulfing candle created this beautiful supply, and as we can see, we had a very beautiful momentum, creating a lower low as compared to this previous low. So once the market came to our point, we took a trade confidently, and it was a winning trade. So because we were expecting the market to move downwards, so we have a double top right here. As you can see, we had this top and this and then we created a lower low. Then once the market came to this supply area, we were expecting the market to reject. That is exactly what happened, and we closed the trade as a win. So if you're using this strategy, make sure that your expiration time is at 1 minute flag mode, and so that trade will close exactly in the same candle. So let's proceed and let's look for another opportunity. So I'm waiting for this opportunity. There we go. I just took our second trade, and let me zoom out so that you guys can see everything clearly. So what we can see here, we have double bottom, so we have this double bottom, and if you know about double bottom, that's a sign of reversal. So with combination with this demand area, I'm expecting this candle to reject, and yeah, let's see. So that was a winning trade. So if you want to learn more about patterns and more about this strategy, you can follow me or contact me using my Telegram. The link is in the description. Everything is for free, guys. Also, I'm using pocket option. You can use the link in the description to create an account and practice everything you see here in a demo account. Once you master everything, then you can trade with your real money. Let's continue. So I just took another trade. So I didn't enter exactly at this horizontal line, and the reason is simple, because we had a very little time left until the expiry of this candle. So I waited for the candle to close and took it in the next candle. So we have a very clear uptrend, and I'm expecting a green candle right here. So that's why I went with the buyers. Make sure to practice all this. Practice makes perfect, guys. So let's see how the trade closes. Okay, we lost that trade. It happens. So let's look for another opportunity and make up for that loss. So I took 2 trades because of our previous loss. So yeah, the reason is quite the same. We have this supply area, and looking at the past, we're in a very good support area. Let me draw it for you. have this support area. So every time the market came to this point, it started rejecting, so it's acting as a resistance area, and that was a win. That's why I was confident taking a double trade on this one. So we recovered our previous loss, and with that I'll take my last trade. So let's look for it. Okay, so I took my last trade. I went to the buyers. So we had very strong buyers right here. Clearly this demand area triggered these strong buyers, which resulted to a breakout. And once the market came back to our area, we can confidently go with the buyers. So comment down below about your experience with this strategy. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe to the channel, and also follow me on Telegram. So that is it for today, guys. Bye.